sling a ukulele.
Well, I don't think I'm going to use. You guys have got this. You don't really need the oop, right? Okay. Great, because I'd rather just sing it. Yeah.
Fantastic. It's a good accessory at the very least. It lets people know that you can play. You're just choosing not to right now. Yeah. Well, you know, a little fun on stage. All right. Dennis, are you on piano for this one? Are you on piano for this one?
I am.
Oh, my goodness.
The accordion does go well with the uke.
It's true. It's kind of beautiful. We love just throwing instruments in, you know? Just see what happens.
One less thing to mic.
It's true. It's true. We don't have to worry about miking the piano. We're good, right? Fantastic.
Right at the top. Right.
All right.
By the way, is my mark here the way we're set up? We're good?
Wherever. You don't need this, do you?
I can go anywhere. Huh?
I'll get this out of your
That would
way.
be handy. Thank you.
Of course. Since there's no Pope tonight, I'll be doing things as well. All right. Are we good to introduce? What do you think? Yeah? Everyone, please welcome Walt Klappert.
Little patter first. I'm doing You Got a Friend in Me from Toy Story. Yeah. Is that cool? Yeah. Boy, is this fun to do. And did you know it's about a father talking to his son? Because, yeah, now it makes sense, right? I mean, the earlier lyrics had the word son and boy in it, and I may even drop them in there again. Are you ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bread, just remember what your old pal said. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble, then I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. Stick together and we'll see it through. You got a friend in me. Yeah. You got a friend in me. You know there's people who are smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, baby. But none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's you and me, boy. And as the years go by, our friendship will never die. It's gonna be our destiny. Man, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Take it, guy. People who are smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe. But none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's you and me, guy. And as the years go by, our friendship will never die. It's gonna be our destiny. You got a friend in me, yeah. You got a friend in me, yeah. You got
one. There's some showmanship. You know, I think you made a good choice without the uke. I would have loved to hear it, but
Well, it was really good.
you were amazing as it was. Yep. Awesome. We love the band. We love the band. Fantastic. All right, you guys. We have up next. I left my clipboard.